Extending from 6 miles west of Jonhston, nearby Hope, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing 51 miles per hour winds at Fayetteville Regional Airport. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Clinton, Dunn, Benson, Godwin, Irwin, Eastover, Roseboro, Stedman, and Newton Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland, Harnett, Jonhston, and Sampson.
Yeah, Harnett. Yeah, and another severe thunderstorm warning is set until Cumberland, Harnett, Jonhston, and Sampson. So, yeah.
Wake is